Hi everyone, my name is Bernice Kojia. Happy New Year to you all. My major is healthcare administration. I graduated last year with my bachelor degree in healthcare management. This class is one of my requirements. I'm here today to welcome everyone and just to say that I'm so thankful to be here. 2019 was a crazy year for me because I lost a couple of my family members back in Africa. But I'm so grateful, I'm thankful to be here, still going to school, still ready to learn, and ready to know new things. Actually, is a purpose of me taking this class, even though it's a requirement. One of my tips to stay focused, to keep going, is determination. And also I learned to stop procrastination. I used to procrastinate, and down the road, I learned that is not helpful. So I try not to procrastinate anymore, and it has been so helpful, very helpful to me. So I just want to welcome everyone again. I'm looking forward to work with everyone, to learn from everyone, and just to enjoy the class. So happy New Year to you all again, and welcome to the class. Thank you so much.